Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. BJP cannot back away from responsibility. Achilles. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav on Thursday slammed the BJP-led Central and Uttar Pradesh governments for the tragic stampede incident at Mahakumbh, which claimed the lives of at least 30 people and injured 60 others. BJP cannot back away from the responsibility. Delhi and UP government both are responsible, he asserted while speaking with the media persons. Yadav emphasized that better administration could have prevented the incident, adding that the government's responsibility cannot be ignored. Yadav said if the administration had been better, perhaps this incident wouldn't have occurred. It was being discussed that so many devotees would come to take a holy dip, and through various government channels it was even said that officials in charge there would learn management studies while at the sport. Yadav also demanded increased financial assistance for the families of the deceased, stating that the current amount of Rs 25 lakh is minimal. He further urged the government to publish an official list of those who lost their lives and those who are missing to clear up confusion among the public. Rs 25 lakh is a minimal number. It should be increased. Also, a list of those who lost their lives should be published as well as those who are missing, because there is a lot of confusion among people. This will only be resolved once the government issues an official list. Achilles said the SP chief highlighted that he received information about the incident at 2:48 a.m. questioning how the government could not have been aware of the situation. Yadav also pointed out that the government's distribution of cards and invitations may have contributed to the chaos. If I could receive such information at that time, the government must have known as well. It is unfortunate because the government itself was distributing cards and sending invitations. In all previous records, cards were never distributed, rather, the devotees came on their own. People who were not invited and had come with full faith were the victims, Akhilesh Yadav said. Yadav, who arrived in Delhi to campaign for the Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming Delhi Assembly polls, refused to meet the victims' families, citing concerns that the BJP would accuse him of politicizing the issue. I will not go to meet the victims because if I do, the BJP will accuse me of politicizing the matter. We don't want to do politics on any issues, he said. Thank you guys for watching.